ABC Creative Studio. Materials. Prepare a size of 13 centimeters by 11 centimeters and cut a heart shape like this. Then trace it in any hard board that you can use. Make it 2 pieces for the lower and upper part. Trace it in a foam sheet to cover our board and paste it with stick glue. Prepare a size of 7 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters for sidings. Paste it around the heart shape. Prepare a size of 7.5 centimeters by 1.5 centimeter of foam sheet. Paste it with stick glue around the heart shape for the upper part. Add on a design. You can put any ribbons on the top of the heart cover. You can use your own creativity and artistic way of designing the cover. You can use a ready-made art materials to enhance your artwork. You can put a flower or any inside. Take a look our finished artwork. Amazing! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.